Should grout always be used around the toilet base for uneven floors? When a toilet rocks on an uneven floor, it compromises the wax seal and can lead to leaks and damage. So the recommended method is to pack grout under the base to provide full contact and stability. First, remove the toilet and inspect the flange and subfloor for rot or damage, replacing or repairing as needed so the grout has a solid substrate. Mix a non-shrinking floor-grade grout or thinset to a toothpaste consistency and lift the toilet onto blocks so you can apply the grout beneath the rim of the base where it contacts the floor, making sure the grout fills voids rather than just sitting at the edge. Lower the toilet gently onto the flange and hold it steady for several minutes to allow the grout to set enough to resist movement. Then bolt the toilet down snugly but not over-tightened to avoid cracking the porcelain. After the grout hardens fully following manufacturer cure times, apply a thin bead of silicone around the exterior edge of the base for appearance and to prevent surface dust accumulation, avoiding sealing the flange access if code requires it. For minor unevenness, less than 1/4 inch, consider using washer shims on the mounting bolts as a temporary measure only, and never use loose pieces of wood, cardboard, or soft materials that will compress over time. Common mistakes are relying solely on rubber or plastic shims that compress and allow recurrence of rocking, which is why using a rigid, non-shrinking grout under the toilet base provides a permanent load-bearing support. Another frequent error is over-tightening the closet bolts, which can crack the porcelain bowl. Tighten alternately and stop when the bowl contacts the floor and is immobile, then check for level. A third concern is failing to inspect the flange and subfloor for rot before grouting, because grout will not fix structural rot. Replace or sister the subfloor and install a new flange if needed so the grout bonds to sound material. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners connect with local contractors and find project guidance related to tasks like leveling a toilet on an uneven floor. Our site also helps contractors find work opportunities, and we host an active discussion community where members share experiences and practical tips.